The human skeleton. Your skeleton supports your body and helps it to move. It also protects some of the soft organs inside you. The diagram shows the main bones in the skeleton. Joints. Fixed and movable joints. A joint is a place where two bones meet. We have two main types of joints in our bodies: fixed joints and movable joints. The skull has fixed joints in the cranium. The cranium is made up of several bones firmly joined together. This helps the cranium to protect the brain. The jawbone is joined to the rest of the skull by a movable joint. This allows the jaw to move up and down and from side to side when you chew, talk, or yawn. Hinge joints and ball and socket joints. Your shoulder joint can move in almost all directions. You can swing your arm around in a complete circle. This is because the shoulder joint is a ball and socket joint. A ball on one bone fits into a socket on the other. Your elbow joint is a hinge joint. It can move in only one direction. It moves like a door on a hinge. Questions. State one place in the body where you have a fixed joint. Why is it useful to have a fixed joint in this place? Name the bones that form the ball and socket joint in your shoulder. Name the bones that form the hinge joint at your elbow. The diagram shows what the elbow joint would look like if you could cut through it. It is important that joints can move easily. When two surfaces move against each other, a force called friction tries to stop them. You can read more about friction in another chapter of our book. To reduce friction, the ends of the bones are covered with a very smooth, slippery material called cartilage. A thick, slippery fluid called synovial fluid fills the spaces between the two bones. The synovial fluid helps to lubricate the joint, like oil in the moving parts of an engine or bicycle. Questions. Suggest why it's important to reduce friction at movable joints. Describe where cartilage is found at the elbow joint. Why is the cartilage there? What is the function of synovial fluid? Look at the diagram of the elbow joint. Suggest how the two bones are held together at the elbow joint. Summary. The skeleton supports the body. The cranium protects the brain. The ribs and sternum protects the lung and heart. A joint is a place where two bones meet. The bones at a fixed joint cannot move. The bones at the hinge joint or ball and socket joint can move. Cartilage and synovial fluid reduce friction at movable joints.